matter of great pride for the Naval War College and the Indian Navy that the new Naval War College building, Chola, is being inaugurated 5th of March. The Indian Naval War College was first established in 1988 at Karanja in Mumbai, and to impart professional military education to officers of the Indian Navy. This college was then called the College of Naval Warfare. In 2010, the decision was taken to rename it as the Naval War College, and it was relocated to the current location in Goa. The building, the new building, is named the Chola, signifying the maritime prowess of the Chola Empire and Rajendra Chola's successful and famous expedition over the high seas of the Indian Ocean to defeat the Sri Vijaya Empire.